High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is a common health issue that many people face today. It is frequently referred to as a silent killer since it causes arterial blood pressure to rise to abnormally high levels. 6 effective mudras that can help lower high blood pressure. First is Prana Mudra to boost immunity. Due to its capacity to awaken dormant energy in the body, Prana Mudra is considered to be one of the most important mudras. The flow of breath, heart rate, circulatory system, body temperature, nervous system, and sense of grounding are all strongly affected by Prana Mudra hand gesture. Prana Mudra strengthens the immune system and lessens vein congestion. This in turn brings your blood pressure returns to normal. It will also take away anxiety, rage, and unease if you do this frequently. Steps to perform. Sit in any comfortable meditative posture such as Padmasana. Keep your back straight and look ahead to align your head with the spine. Bring the tips of the little and ring fingers of both hands to join the tip of the thumb. Keep gentle pressure on the fingertips to avoid discomfort. The remaining fingers will be kept comfortably straight. Place the hands on your knees with palms facing upwards and close your eyes. Hold this mudra for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Next is Apan Vayu Mudra to prevent heart attack and relieve heart heaviness. Apan Vayu Mudra is one of the most effective mudra for managing high blood pressure. It is also called the Mritsanjeevani Mudra, means one that brings back to life from death, as it is extremely effective in preventing an oncoming heart attack. It's formed by the combination of Apan and Vayu Mudra. The Vayu Mudra portion of this mudra will instantly open the blocked artery and provide it with oxygen, and the Apan Mudra component will eliminate these toxins in the guise of clogs and obstructions to enhance blood flow. Steps to perform. Sit in a meditative position. Keep your back straight and look ahead to align your head with the spine. Place your hands on the knees with palms facing up. On both hands, join the tips of the thumb, middle, and ring finger while bringing the tip of the index finger to the base of the thumb. The remaining finger, little finger, should remain comfortably straight. Hold this mudra for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Next is Vyana Mudra to maintain blood pressure and improve prana flow. If your sedentary lifestyle or less physical activity is the cause of high blood pressure, you should do Vyana Mudra. Also known as Vata Karak Mudra, it balances disturbed Vata dosha in the body. As per Ayurveda, imbalance in Vata dosha is a primary cause of high blood pressure. This mudra reduces the risk of damage to the heart and coronary arteries, including heart attack, heart disease, and congestive heart failure. Come in a cross-legged position, with your palm facing up. Place your hands on your thighs. Now join the tip of the index and middle finger with the thumb tip and keep the rest two fingers in normal position. Vyana Mudra increases the flow of prana vayus in the entire body, which in turn makes you feel more active and removes fatigue, laziness, and dizziness. Next is Surya Mudra to reduce cholesterol level. The thyroid gland's metabolic process is accelerated when you do Surya Mudra. The risk of a heart blockage is subsequently decreased as a result of this mudra's assistance in lowering harmful cholesterol levels. Improved metabolism and reduced cholesterol impact heart health and balance the fluctuations of blood pressure. Steps to perform. Sit on a yoga mat in a meditative position such as lotus pose, Padmasana, or easy pose, Sukhasana. Keep your back straight and look ahead to align your head with the spine. Fold your ring finger so that it touches the base of the thumb. Place your thumb on the folded ring finger. Keep the rest of the fingers comfortably straight. Make sure pressure on the ring finger is moderate to increase the fire element, but try not to overdo it. Next mudra is Ganesh Mudra to improve blood circulation. When performed frequently, Ganesha Mudra hand position is thought to reduce stress and improve mood. High cholesterol sufferers must use this mudra. This is a great calming mudra to use during meditation. Heart disease risk is decreased by meditation induced mental calm and heart centered awareness. By using the Ganesha mudra, you can fortify your heart, enhance blood flow, and activate the heart chakra. Steps to perform: sit in any comfortable meditative posture such as Padmasana. Partially fold the fingers of your left hand as you position it in front of your chest with the palm facing outward. Make a similar formation with the right hand's fingers and take hold of the left hand. The right hand palm will be facing inward. Make sure both hands are held together in a tight grasp with the fingers firmly clasped. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. As you exhale, draw your hands against each other but without letting go of the grasp. Your shoulders and chest will feel stretched. Relax the pull as you finish the exhale. Repeat the entire process 5 to 6 times. Do the exercise while switching the hand positions. Practice the entire mudra for 10 to 15 minutes in one sitting. And last mudra is Akash mudra to reduce stress and anxiety. Practicing Akash mudra will enhance the space element of the body. It helps with body detoxification, lowers high blood pressure, and enhances the removal of metabolic wastes from the body. Additionally, it removes negative thoughts and aids in focusing the mind, which can be a natural way to reduce stress and hypertension. Steps to perform: sit in any comfortable meditative posture such as Vajrasana, Sukhasana, Padmasana, etc. Keep your back straight and look ahead to align your head with the spine. Place your hands on the knees with palms facing upwards. Join the middle finger and the thumb at their tips and leave the remaining finger comfortably straight. Hold this mudra for at least 10 to 15 minutes. In conclusion, understanding and managing blood pressure is crucial for preventing serious health complications. By adopting a healthy lifestyle and regular monitoring, individuals can significantly reduce their risk of hypertension and its associated problems.